Welcome. Here are what coffee peels are, what are their benefits and how to get them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. The coffee husk and pulp make up 45% of the coffee fruit. Are among the most important byproducts of coffee. This is for their use in the agricultural and food industries and the extraction of caffeine and polyphenols. The coffee husk is a byproduct of the coffee production process, which is often disposed of as garbage or sold as fertilizer, but since the coffee husk contains large proportions of organic compounds, such as cellulose, fatty acids, lignin, hemicellulose, and polysaccharides, there is an opportunity to exploit it as a source of biofuel, and the coffee peel has many benefits, including the following. The coffee peel works to clean the uterus of the rotten blood that remains stuck in it, so it is recommended to drink a coffee peel drink during menstruation and in a period postpartum. The coffee husk works on the diuresis. When drinking water soaking the coffee husk, leads to diuresis and rid the body of swelling and bloating resulting from the accumulation of fluids in its extremities. Helps reduce weight and burn excess fat. Beneficial for the nervous system, it can calm tense people and people who are always nervous. It rids the blood of toxins that are harmful to the body, as it filters the blood and rids it of toxic substances, and also rids it of harmful germs. A natural relief of headaches, severe headaches in particular, and various pains in the body in general. The coffee husk can be obtained by burning unroasted coffee on the fire, and then grinding the husk, resulting from burning the coffee until it becomes a fine powder. Or by drying the outer peels of the coffee fruits and then soaking them. Ginger, cinnamon, or cloves can be added to add a distinctive flavor. Drink it hot or cold as desired. In the end, please do not forget to subscribe and like to support us. Goodbye.